On today's video, you're going to be learning some tips and tricks on how to apply your false lashes, and best of all, this is beginner friendly. The lashes that I'm using are from Baddington Lashes in Monroe. They are 100% silk and you can use them up to 25 times depending on how you care for them. You will need some scissors and a lash curler. Remove the lash from the lash band carefully, not the lash itself. The excess right here that you see at the end is what you want to cut, and usually the one on the right is what irritates the inner corner of your lid. Hold them against your eye and measure them against the length of your own natural lash line. False lashes are often too long for your eye, so ensure to cut the strip to fit your own lash. Bending the lash will help to naturally curve on your eyelid. Once again, apply your lash and check to see if you have any excess on the outer corner. Curling your lashes will help to blend with your false lashes. Applying a thin layer of eyeliner will help to conceal the lash line. Applying a couple coats of mascara will help to lock in the curl. This step is not required, but you can curl your fake lashes before applying them to give them a bigger curl. Apply your favorite lash glue on the lash band and let it get tacky for 10 seconds. Another tip, if you apply the glue on your lash line, will give it extra hold. Never tilt your head down, always tilt it up so you can see your own lash line. Place the lash band as close to your natural lash line as possible. Hold them firmly in place until adhesive is set. Another tip that I love to do is pinch the lashes with the lash curler, or you can use your fingers or even your lash curler. They also sell different type of lash curlers for this step. But there you guys have it. I hope this was helpful. It was sweet and short and you guys learned something new. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell. See you in the next video.